In this session, we're going to be looking at a feature which is unique to Powerproject, which is called link categories. So Powerproject allows you to draw links, as we've seen before. In here, normal links, we've got critical path being displayed at the moment. But I'm going to actually add a new add a supply delay into here as an activity. And I'm going to give it 4 weeks inside there. And I'm going to link that, say that that delay happens from the end of the task 1, and it will impact us delivering task 3. If I just reschedule that, we can see that that moves and updates, critical path and so forth. But now if I'm going to just turn off the moment my float and critical path so we can see the links clearer, what we can do is we can actually assign a different category, a different style and colour to these links. So first of all, I'm going to create that link category by just going to my Library Explorer. And once I've gone to my Library Explorer, I can then go and choose link category, which is just here. And we have a whole set of ones that are in there: construction, design, critical, ghost, logic, link, and so forth. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new one called supply delay. And then I can choose on each of those items, I can choose the colour that that's going to appear as. So I can choose for this, I can say maybe it's going to be orange or it's going to be purple. I can make it style picker. I can choose the arrowhead to be in purple, make it wide, make it long as well, like so. So that's the style there. I can also choose reflected and half-link styling as well. So if I go back to my chart, and I can select this link here, either this one, go into its properties by double clicking on it, and I can change the category to my supply delay. Close on that, and now you can see that that's clearly different in there. So we can just identify it as a different styling, and we can also have this appear on the printout. Now, not only can we have it visually displayed, but if I just go back to my Home tab and just do a reschedule, like so, no impacts at all. But now I'm going to go to my reschedule options in here, and once I'm in my reschedule options, I can choose to ignore any of the link categories I've assigned. So I'm going to say, well, let's suppose that delay didn't happen or that link isn't valid in this reschedule. And when I do a reschedule now, no longer is this link actually active, so it's no longer having that impact on my task. Now what I might want to do is I might want to set both of those links to be in the supply delay. So when I do that reschedule, these links have no impact at all to my schedule. So quite simply I can do that, and then at any time I can show it without that delay. And if I go into the options and untick that so it's going to be used, do a reschedule, and we now can see the impact from this. So you can create as many different link categories as you want, and you can change the styling for visual appearance, but you can also then choose to ignore those link categories when you're rescheduling.